For over a month now, I've been receiving this message in the Uber driver app on a weekly basis. So what is it and why am I receiving it so frequently? Let's discuss. So again, I've been receiving that message in the Uber driver app on almost a weekly basis for over a month. I thought I had received it in the past, but very infrequently, and I thought in those instances it was because my phone got jostled. I use a magnetic mount in my car, and there's occasions where I hit a bump and the phone will get jostled and knocked off the mount. I thought that's what this message was for. Again, the message says, distracted driving is dangerous driving. And whenever I received that message in the past with that header, I thought it was because my phone was possibly moving. So it looked like I was actually handling my phone while in motion and not having it mounted. But then when I actually read that top sentence, it says information from your recent trips indicates that you may have been frequently exiting and opening the app on your phone while driving. And what I'm thinking is I'm receiving this message because I'm launching Google Maps when I'm either en route to a passenger or when a passenger is in my vehicle and I'm in motion. Now typically I don't try to launch Google Maps when I'm in motion. When I start a ride on Uber, I look at the route, and if I feel like I'm going to get a better possible route by using Google Maps, that's when I try to launch Google Maps, not when I'm already en route to a destination. But there are occasions where I will launch Google Maps when I'm actually in motion, when there's traffic or when the Uber driver app, the Uber nav, is screwing up, which it has been for months now. But yes, for the most part, I rely on that in-app Uber nav, but there are occasions where I do want to launch Google Maps when en route. And I completely understand that even the slightest interaction with your phone while your vehicle is in motion, even if it is mounted, can be dangerous. And I try to avoid those interactions as much as I can. But for Uber to be consistently sending me this message about exiting the Uber app and being distracted when they will bombard us with back-to-back requests sometimes when we are en route to a passenger's destination, it's ridiculous. We have to process all that information when the vehicle is in motion, and you're going to consistently send me a message like this when I'm just exiting the app occasionally to launch Google Maps? And there's actually a similar message in the Lyft app when you're using the Lyft in-app navigation. This message has existed for years now. Sometimes I want to interact with that navigation and see the route overview, and anytime that I want to see that route overview, I'll see this limit taps while in motion message. And yes, I know that I want to limit taps while in motion. I try to not interact with my phone frequently while I'm in motion. But messages like this, these helicopter messages from both Uber and Lyft, they're unnecessary. Now my assumption is that this distracted driving message, this frequent message, is going out to drivers nationwide. But there is a possibility that they're just sending it to us here in Minnesota because they want us to stay in the Uber driver app and use the Uber in-app nav so that they can dictate our trips, dictate the route that we're going to take. Because here, we're paid guaranteed rates when we have a passenger in our vehicle. So the longer the mileage, the more we get paid. And if they can shorten our routes in any way and manipulate drivers, then that's more money for them. And on Lyft now, you can't even launch third-party navigation apps anymore from the driver app. For a little while, there was still a workaround to be able to launch Waze or Google Maps from within each trip, but they've slowly but surely gotten rid of those. They got rid of Waze first, and now you can't even launch Google Maps anymore with that workaround. So Lyft also wants to lock us into their in-app navigation so they can dictate our routes. So yes, big surprise, both Uber and Lyft want to lock us into their in-app navigation so they can control our behaviors and dictate the routes that we're taking. I, for one, am always going to use multiple map options. Even on Lyft I'm still going to use Google Maps. I'm not going to rely on just the in-app navigation. But what about all of you? Have you been seeing this distracted driving message in the Uber driver app a lot more frequently like I have? And with the frequency that I personally am seeing the message, I just chalk it up to an annoyance that I completely ignore. If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video on really long rides and if they're ever worth accepting, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching and drive safe. Thanks.